Hello and welcome to FIXtastic Contents. If your iPhone is not turning on, I've got a solution how to fix this issue. Pay attention and hopefully your iPhone will turn on. This works on all various models of iPhone. Try this video, try your luck. Turn on the plug-in adapter for your iPhone and insert the charging tip into your iPhone. Once the lightning cable or USB-C cable is inserted, I want you to do a hard reset of your iPhone. So to do this is volume up, down, and the power on button. Hold it down. So let's do it. Volume up, down, and then hold the power button. On your iPhone, it may take a few seconds or up to 30 seconds to turn on. It all depends really. But I had problems and this is what I did to turn on my iPhone. So remember, put in your charging cable into your iPhone and do a hard reset, volume up, down, and press the power button and it should come on.